The International Space Station, ISS, a marvel of human engineering and collaboration. The International Space Station, ISS, is one of the greatest achievements in human space exploration. The largest human-made structure in space, the ISS is a testament to the ingenuity and collaboration of scientists and engineers from around the world. In this article, we'll explore the history, design, and scientific achievements of the ISS. History. The ISS was first conceptualized in the early 1980s, during the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union. The initial idea was to create a space station that would be jointly operated by the two countries. However, political tensions and financial constraints prevented the project from moving forward. It wasn't until the mid-1990s that the ISS became a reality. In 1993, the United States and Russia signed an agreement to jointly develop and operate the space station. Construction began in 1998, with the launch of the first ISS module, the Russian-built Zarya module. Design. The ISS is an engineering marvel, consisting of multiple modules that are connected by a series of docking ports. The station is roughly the size of a football field, with a mass of over 400,000 kilograms. The modules of the ISS are designed to provide a wide range of capabilities, including living quarters for astronauts, scientific laboratories, and equipment for spacewalks. The station is powered by a series of solar panels that provide electricity to the various systems and experiments on board. Collaboration. One of the most remarkable aspects of the ISS is the international collaboration that made it possible. The station is a joint project of 5 space agencies: NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, JAXA, Japan, ESA, Europe, and CSA, Canada. Astronauts and cosmonauts from these countries work together on the station, conducting scientific experiments and maintaining the systems of the ISS. Scientific achievements. The ISS has been the site of numerous scientific breakthroughs and discoveries. Scientists have used the station to study everything from the effects of microgravity on the human body to the behavior of plants and animals in space. Some of the most notable achievements of the ISS include the discovery of new materials with potential applications in medicine and electronics, the study of the human immune system in space, which has led to new insights into autoimmune diseases, the identification of new genes and proteins that could be used to treat diseases such as cancer, the development of new technologies for water recycling and waste management in space. Conclusion. The International Space Station is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. It has provided a platform for scientific discovery and innovation, and has inspired a new generation of space explorers. As we look to the future of space exploration, the ISS will continue to serve as a model for international cooperation and a symbol of what humans can achieve when we work together towards a common goal.